Hey, I'm here at my local McDonald's, and I'm here and I'm getting the Halloween Boo Bucket. I don't know which bucket that I'm getting yet, but I'm here with my good friend, and I will see you guys. Made it out of McDonald's, and this is the one that I wound up coming out with. It is the skeleton pail. They had the purple one today, but they sold out of it. So I guess that's my luck on that. But anyway, I hope you guys like this little small video of me showing the pail here, and it also comes with a little activity thing here. You can decorate your bucket or whatever. But anyway, it's good for trick-or-treating, and definitely good for the spooky month of October, because we love October. We love the spooky month. Hell yeah. You got anything else you want to say, bro?
What? Oh, no.
Hey, Doug, how you doing today, bub?
I'm here.
How do you feel today?
Like shit.
Oh.
Not like what I want.